buy Brawl Pass with PayPal. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to buy Brawl Pass with your PayPal account. So first of all, just open your Brawl Star account, and after that just simply log into your account using your Supercell ID. And once you are logged into your account, just simply go to the shop section from the left hand side of the screen right in front of you. And over here, the first option that you will see in the shop section is the Brawl Pass. Just simply tap on it in order to open the Brawl Pass that are there that you can buy and choose. So just simply choose one of the Brawl Pass that you would want to buy. So you can choose the 599 one or 899 one according to your preference. So just simply select the one. For example, I'm selecting the first one. And as soon as you click on the Brawl Pass that you would want to buy, the pop-up menu of the payment method will appear right in front of you. And over here, as you can see that the PayPal as a payment method is not available in my Brawl Star account as of now. And if you see the PayPal as a payment method in your Brawl Star account in your particular region, just go ahead and make the purchase happen. And if you don't have the PayPal as a payment method in your Brawl Star account, all you can do is just simply add the credit or debit card, the same credit or debit card that you have linked with your PayPal account, and after that just make the purchase happen using your credit and debit card, the same debit card that you have linked with your PayPal account, and that way you will be able to use your PayPal with the Brawl Star. So this is basically how you will be able to buy Brawl Pass with PayPal. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.